Hi class, let's take a look at problem 7. Now problem 7 is a little bit tricky. You can actually view that the limit is 0, but let me write it out. In this case, the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equal to 0. By viewing the graph, and it's not a regular graph, you can see that technically as the function approaches from the left and to the right, you're getting the value at 0, but notice that the actual function, in this case, this portion here, technically x cannot equal to 0. So one part that the software is not showing us here is that there is technically an open hole at the values of 0. So this one's not a continuous function, it has a hole on it. Yet again, from the left and from the right, the function happens to be 0. So just something to take into account. This particular function is not a continuous function, and the limit as x approaches 0 happens to be 0. Now, from problem B, we technically have the same. We have a hole on the graph that the software is not showing us. And in this case, the limit as x approaches 0 of the values of f of x, we would say that in this case, our function is approaching 1. That's actually it for this one. The most important part to recognize on these two is that since technically we happen to have, well, a function in an x at the bottom, you cannot technically divide by 0. Unfortunately, if we use Desmos, Desmos doesn't recognize that. Desmos also doesn't put the arrows. But in this case, the graph is given. We do have to recognize that the functions are not defined at the values of 0. The limit as x approaches 0 on the second one, let me just fix that. It looks like an infinity, happens to be 1. That's actually it for problem 7.